some foods from A to Z. Clap your hands, move your feet. Let's have fun with foods we eat.
Yeah! A is for apple, juicy and sweet.
A is for apple, what a treat.
B is for banana, peel it so fine.
B is for banana, snack time is prime.
C is for carrot, crunchy and bright. C is for carrot, take a big bite. D is for donut, round and fun.
D is for donut,
Just eat one.
A, B, C, come eat with me. From tasty food from A to Z. Tell, sing it loud, sing it proud. Make healthy snacks, make us wow. C is for gourmet, pokey and right. C is for carrot,
Take a big bite.
D is for donut, round and fold. D is for donut,
Just eat one.
A, C, come eat with me. Tasty food from A to Z. Tell, sing it loud,
Sing it proud.
make healthy snacks, make us wow.
E is for eggs, scrambled or fried.
E is for eggs, sunny side.
F is for fish, swimming in the sea.
F is for fish, good for me.
G is for grapes, purple or green.
G is for grapes, juicy and clean.
H is for honey, golden and sweet.
H is for honey, what a treat.
I is for ice cream, cold and fun.
I is for ice cream, yum, yum, yum.
J is for jam, spread it on toast.
J is for jam, we love it the most.
K is for kiwi, fuzzy and bright.
K is for kiwi, take a bite.
L is for lemon, sour but light.
L is for lemon, makes drinks taste right.
M is for mango, juicy and sweet.
N is for mango, my favorite treat.
N is for noodles, slurp them slow.
N is for noodles, go, go, go.
O is for oatmeal, warm and slow.
U is for me, all good to go. P is for popcorn, salty or sweet. P is for popcorn, fun to eat. Q is for kiwi, tiny and small.
Q is for quinoa, strong and tall.
R is for rice, white or brown. R is for rice, best in town.
S is for strawberries, red and bright.
S is for strawberries, what a delight.
Is for tomato in salad or stew.
T is for tomato, red and new.
U is for ugly fruit, silly name, right?
U is for ugly fruit, what a sight.
V is for vanilla, creamy and sweet.
V is for vanilla, what a treat.
W is for watermelon, big and brown.
W is for watermelon, best in town.
X is for Saigo, that's a melon too.
S is for Zion, big and cool. Y is for yogurt, smooth and light.
Y is for yogurt,
Feels just right.
Z is for zucchini, green and strong.
C is for zucchini, sing along.
Be sure to subscribe to our page. Until next time, friends.